Alright guys, today we're going to be going over how to download the Streamstats data, which is going to give you basically an area in acreage. It's super useful for erosion control. It's going to be one of the key steps if you're doing erosion control plans. You'll see it in the erosion control notes. If you're here watching this video, I imagine you know why you need this area. But essentially what we need to know is what is the total area that drains into this lake here. Our site is located on this piece of land right here. And we want to know how much area, is probably somewhere over this way, is draining in order to meet at a point here and drain into the lake. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up our Google Chrome. As you can see here, I have the site located on Google. I'm just going to copy this latitude and longitude, and then I'm going to navigate to Streamstats. Streamstats is the site that we're going to use. It's provided by USGS, so you're just going to look for this www.usgs.gov. You click on this guy, and then you can click down here on this link right here to take you to Streamstats. I'm going to go ahead and copy in that latitude and longitude where it says find a place, and then I'll choose the state that we're in to do the regional study area, which is the state of Georgia. Okay, and then I'm just going to zoom in really quick, and like I was saying before, we want to know how much area drains into this lake here. So basically what we're going to do, and as you can see on Streamstats, it's not really shown as a lake. It's kind of, they're shown kind of as streams in their tributaries in the direction that they flow. But I'm just going to click this delineate button here, and then I'm going to select right where the water would kind of exit our site and go into the lake, which is right about there. And then I'm just going to let it do its thing, let it load while it's delineating the basin. Sometimes this can take a little bit, especially if it's a really, really large basin. Like if you click somewhere along the Chattahoochee River or some really, really large stream that takes on a lot of water, it's going to be a very, very large area that drains into that stream. So, those can take quite a while to delineate. But this one shouldn't take too long. We'll just sit here and wait for it to do its thing. Okay, now it's delineated our basin here. So as you can see, this area inside the yellow is the area that's draining basically through our site and exiting our site into the creek here. And once you have this data, you're just going to go ahead and select download basin, right? And then you're going to download, I believe any of these files will work. We're going to do a KML file is usually the way that I do it. I believe a shape file will work as well. As you can see, it downloaded here as a KML. And then in the next video, we'll go over how to import it into your CAD.